Hello YouTube. Today I want to bring you a review of a product that I just decided I wanted to test. Pretty much I got it off Amazon and I found it interesting, so I wanted to test this out, so I'm giving my review. And it's called the Earth Breeze Eco Sheets. It says ultra concentrated. It dissolves, quick dissolve, powerful clean. We're going to get 60 loads in this package. It's a 3-in-1, so we have stains, odors, and protect colors. There are 30 pre-measured sheets in the package. So, the back has full instructions on how to use it. You just take a sheet based on your load. You go ahead and put that amount in the drum, and then add your clothes. And it says just dissolve rapidly in warm or cold water. So one pack is usually equal to 10 loads, and they've donated. Let's see, it says donated to those in need. Ocean cleanups funded. So here it tells you about the amount of sheets to use. For medium load, it's just half a sheet. Large loads, 1 sheet. 2 sheets for heavy soil or extra large load in the drum. Okay, so here are the sheets. Okay, this is 1 sheet. It's paper thin. It's almost like your regular dryer sheets. Okay, it's nice and smooth. The scent on this one was fresh scent. I wish you could smell it. It smells wonderful. But here we go. For today, I have a whole bunch of laundry, so I think I'm gonna double up. We put 1 in there, 1 there, and I'm gonna pull a full sheet out so you can see. Well, it's two of these make a full sheet, so I think I'm gonna stretch this out here a little bit. Just notice this. Got a little stretch to it. Okay. Oh, and by the way, I didn't say who I am. My name's Yolanda. Get ready to do some laundry and wanted to test this product out. Okay, so here we go. I've got, I think, 1.5 in there. There's a sheet. That's 2. And there's 3 sheets. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and it says it doesn't need. See, I don't think I need any fabric softener. I don't think I need any fabric softener, but we're gonna try it out this way. So without the fabric softener, I'm just gonna put 3 sheets in there. And I usually load up the washer, so I'm gonna go ahead and maybe put another one and see how that goes. This is really interesting because we're not wasting all these bottles and throw them into the landfill. So here goes another one for good measures. 1, 2. Yeah, there's 4 of them. There's 4 of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the laundry in, and I'll pause it and come back and show you what the water looks like once I get the clothes in there and the water in there. We'll pause it and take a look inside and see what kind of suds and stuff we get with it. All right, be right back. Okay, guys. So I've loaded up the washer. You can see it's nearly full. I'll go ahead and turn it on now. And then we'll check and see what kind of suds we get. Remember, I didn't use no fabric softener. I don't know if I should or not, but I'm gonna go without and see what this product does and how clean it gets. So just get the washer on, we're on colors. I'm gonna go heavy there and turn that off and start. Now the water's filling up. Give it a moment. Okay. Once it fills up, I'll pause it again and I'll pause it so we can see what the water level is and if we have any suds. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, here is the machine filled up to its precise location that it needs to. My washer has that feature that saved me from overusing water. So now I'm gonna let it continue. I have it paused right now and let it continue and mix it up a little bit and see what it looks like. Okay, be right back. Okay guys, we're back. So now the machine's at wash. Let's go ahead and pause it. Unfortunately, I can't keep it open with it while it's running. It wouldn't. The door stays locked. But let me see some. Let's see. It'll stop. Okay, so far I don't see much suds. Look under there. It's a little bit of sud. Not a lot of suds. I don't know if you guys prefer washing your laundry and having a lot of suds in there. But sometimes to give you the idea that your laundry detergent is working. If you like lots of sud, this apparently doesn't give you a whole lot. I'm gonna close it and let it continue. And we'll keep following the process here. Okay guys, I'll wait a few more minutes to see if we build up any suds in this product. Which apparently we're not going to. And as you can see, it says dermatology tested. Something else I saw in here. It works with warm and cold water. You can use on your HE machines. And septic and gray water safe. So I guess it'd be good for, say, if you have, you're single, you have your lone, small loads. I guess it will work. I'll have to go back and look and see. I'll put the pricing for this in the description below. 1 billion loads donated. That's their goal. 1 billion loads donated by 2030. So it's good for small loads. I don't think I would use it for large washes, personally, just my opinion. I mean, it still smells great, but we'll see. Once it's finished washing, I'll probably just add a description in the bottom and tell you how I do it with this. As I said, it's still washing, so it'll be a little while, and I hate to make this video long, but that's my review of this product, Third Breeze. I would say you possibly can use it for light loads. You know, for me, for big loads, I like to see a lot of suds in mine. I'm not knocking this, but that's just my honest review. It's probably saved me a lot of money on buying container loads. The pods, pods are very expensive, and lawn, what do you say, the, like the Downy, fabric softener, sorry. Brain fart right there. But again, go try it out and come back and let me know what you think of this product. I'm sure it's been out for a little while. I'm not sure when it came out, but if I find that information, I'll put it in the description below. But feel free to go to Amazon or Walmart probably will have them. But I got mine on Amazon, and I think they have different scents in there too. Like I said, this has been running for a little bit, and as you can see, it's still, there's no suds to it. There's no suds, so to each his own. Anyhow, I like the convenience. I like the packaging. A lot less going into the landfill, and the packaging I can recycle. Let's see. Saves a lot of waste material going into landfill. All right. Well, I would keep this going, but I'll put description to the final use of this product, and check the clothes and see how good it washes. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you go ahead in the bottom and hit that like button and share this, and leave me a comment and tell me what you think of this product, if you've used it before, and what your thoughts are. Okay, I don't get paid for this one, and I would like it for other people to see this and give their honest review. But again, this is my personal review. It's been washing probably for, I don't know, 10 minutes. And it looks, I'm sure it's cleaning. It's looking like it's cleaning, but it's still got a ways to go to finish washing, so I'm not going to wait out to the end on this, to the end when it finishes. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Again, just please like and share this video, and leave me your comments. Tell me what you think of it. All right, so next time we'll see you on the other side. God bless.